Hello, good morning. Welcome to AK's Math Academy. Yesterday we have seen about trigonometric ratios and we have discussed the concepts regarding trigonometric ratios. Today we will see some problems based on it. Let's go to exercise 8.1, the first exercise of this chapter. So let's begin with the first question of this exercise. So the first question says like this. In triangle ABC, which is right angled at B, AB is equal to 24 cm, BC is equal to 7 cm. Determine first subpart sin A and cos A, and second subpart is sin C and cos C. So the first step for any trigonometric questions you should do is that you should have a diagram like this. A triangle diagram, right? A right angle triangle diagram first. As per question you should draw everything. A, B, C, which is right angled at B. So I have drawn the first step. And second step is that you should write all the measurements which is given in the question. So here AB is given 24 cm, BC is given 7 cm, and AC is unknown, right? So we should find. And I'm considering only first subpart first. So I'm doing this first, and then we'll do the second subpart. Okay. Now see, what is sine? Yesterday I have discussed. Last class we have discussed. Sin A, which is equal to O by H, right? So sin A means we are considering angle A. What is opposite side here? BC. And what is hypotenuse? AC. AC, is AC given? No. How do we find it? AC can be determined by using Pythagoras theorem, the famous theorem called Pythagoras theorem. Now what is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of base square plus altitude square, right? So let's do that first. I'm writing here AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So now what is AB? 24, right? So 24 square plus BC. What is BC? 7 centimeters. So 7 square, which is equal to AC square. Let me write this in a box so it will be clear for you. Now AC square is equal to, what is 24 square? If I am not wrong, it is 576. 576 if I am not wrong. And 149 is 7 square, right? And when we add this both, we will get around 625. Now is 625 a perfect square? So let's take a square root. Root of 625, which is equal to 25 centimeter. So we have found AC now. So we'll put this in a box, and then we'll write AC is equal to, we have calculated 25 centimeter. So yes. Now for triangle ABC, and with respect to angle A, what is opposite side? Opposite side is equal to BC, which is equal to, is given 7 centimeter. And what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is equal to AC, which is equal to 25 centimeter. We just calculated that. And what is adjacent side? Adjacent with respect to angle A is equal to AB, right? What is AB? 24 centimeter. Now we will calculate sin A. What is sin A now? O by H. Now what is O? 7. And what is H? 25. So 7 by 25. That is sin A. And what is cos A? A by H, right? What is A here? So cos A is equal to A by H, and A is given. A is AB 24 centimeter, so we'll write here 24, and H is 25. Yes, so sin A is equal to 7 by 25 and cos A is equal to 24 by 25, which is first subpart of the question, and it's done. So O is 24 centimeter and A is 7 centimeter. Now we'll find hypotenuse H. Now what is it? H. Hypotenuse, it remains the same, so it's a longer side of a right angle triangle. H is equal to AC, which is equal to 25 centimeter, which we have already calculated before. Centimeter. Now sin C, what is sin C? Sine function is O by h, right? So what is O here? We have already calculated everything. O is 24 centimeter and h is 25. So we'll write it here, 25. Sine C is 24 by 25 O by h. Okay, AB by AC, O by h. Now what is cos C? Cos C is A by h, nothing but A by h. What is A here? BC, right? With respect to angle C. Adjacent means BC. We have already calculated 7 centimeter. And what is hypotenuse? Remains the same, 25. So it is A by h, that is 7 by 25. So this is the solution for the first question. Please note it down. Let's go to the second question. So I'll read it out. In figure 8.13, find tan P minus cot R. It's a very simple question. So this is the figure which is given in textbook 8.13, and PQR triangle, which is right angled at Q. PR distance is given as 13 and PQ distance is given as 12. We should find tan P minus cot R. So let me ask you a question. Just recall like last class concepts. So what is tan P? Tan P is equal to O by A, right? Opposite side by adjacent side with respect to which angle or which vertex? And vertex P or angle P, right? And what is cot R? Cot R is equal to reciprocal of tan. That means reciprocal of tan R, okay? Not with tan P, tan R. The angle which you are concerning here, with respect to that trigonometric function only you should take it. So 1 by tan R is cot R. Now what is tan? O by A. So cot means reciprocal of tan. So it is A by O with respect to angle R. So what is opposite side with respect to angle P? What is opposite side with respect to angle P? Angle P is here. What is its opposite side with respect to angle P? QR, right? So tan P is equal to QR divided by adjacent side. Adjacent side means PQ, right? With respect to angle P. PQ. And cot R means what? Cot R. Adjacent side with respect to angle R. Let me draw an angle first. Okay. Adjacent side with respect to angle R. QR, right? Adjacent side QR divided by and opposite side means this thing, right? PQ. So PQ means, like, opposite side means PQ. So isn't it the same? Because we are getting the same answer. We will get the same answer, right? Tan P, cot R are same. So can we write tan P minus cot R equal to QR by PQ minus QR by PQ? What will you get? Both are same and they will cancel out, right? So you will get the ultimate answer as 0 itself. So it's very simple, right? Tan P cot R comes out to be the same. It's not always the case, but it might be the same or different depending upon the values and the angles which we consider, okay? And we will get answer as 0. That's it. Let's go to the third question. Let's see it. So let me read it out. If sine A is 3 by 4, calculate cos A and tan A. So as I always said, first we should start with the diagram, right? So I have drawn a triangle ABC here, which is right angled at B, and A should be any acute angle, right? I have said you trigonometric ratios can only be applied to an acute angle, right? So I have taken A. Your angle A can be here or here. It depends on you because both are acute angles, right? So it can be here or either here. I have taken angle A as here. And what is given? Sine A is 3 by 4, right? So sine A is 3 by 4. Let me write it out first. Sine A is equal to 3 by 4. And which is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse, right? What is opposite side with respect to angle A? Angle A. So opposite side with respect to angle A is BC, and what is hypotenuse? AC, right? AC, yeah, AC. Now see, on comparing both sides, BC by AC is equal to 3 by 4. We can't say that BC equal to 3 and AC equal to 4. Why? Because they are ratios. So they should have a constant, right? That constant can be 0, 1, anything. But we assume that they have a constant K or constant X. Suppose let the constant be K. Now on comparing both sides, BC, we can write BC as 3K and AC as 4K. Now one more side we have to calculate, right? One more side we have to calculate. Calculate BC, right? We have to calculate BC. How do we calculate BC? Same, by using Pythagoras theorem. So by applying Pythagoras theorem, I'll apply it here. AC, let's say, what is Pythagoras theorem? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. We have to calculate AB, side AB. So AB square is equal to AC square minus BC square. And yeah, okay, let's calculate AB first. AB square, AC is given, what is that? 4K square, right? So 4K square minus BC square is 4K whole square, okay? 4K whole square minus 3K whole square. Now what is 4K whole square? That is 16K square. 3K whole square is 9K square. 16 minus 9, what is it? 7. So 7K square, we write it here. Is 7 a perfect square? No. So we can write AB as root 7K on taking square root. And let me write this in a box. And we have AB is equal to root 7K. Now we have calculated all sides. So let me write all sides here first. BC is 3K, AC is 4K, and AB is root 7K. What should we find? Cos A. So first we'll write cos A with respect to angle A. Okay, with respect to angle A, what is cos A now? A by h, right? A by h. Okay, with respect to angle A. Now what is A? I mean, adjacent root 7K, right? AB. So AB divided by hypotenuse AC. What is AB? We have already calculated. Root 7K divided by AC. AC is hypotenuse, so it is 4K. What will we get the answer as? K and K will get cancelled. We'll get root 7 by 4. And what is... Now we have to calculate, first part is over, and now what is tan A? Tan A is O by A, right? With respect to angle A. What is opposite side with respect to angle A? BC. BC is 3K. We'll write 3K first. And what is adjacent side? Root 7K. Root 7K. K and K get cancelled. We'll get answer as 3 by root 7. Now cos A is root 7 by 4. And tan A is 3 by root 7. Yes, we have done. That's the answer for the third question. We'll see the next questions in the next class. Thank you.